have eyes on my other two rookies? No, the other one was supposed to come, but
1011, suspect in a white sports car, two-door at PDG.
DDG. Why?
Good day, Miss Kayla Miller. Do you know why I called you over today? So, ma'am, you've been driving recklessly. I will be asking for your information. I will go back to my car and run your information. Please wait here. So, ma'am, you don't have any violation, so I will let you go with the warning ticket. Once you receive it, please do sign. Okay, ma'am, please drive safely and be careful next time. Once I go back to the car, you can leave and go on with your day. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.